Picture this. It's a frosty February morning in New Brunswick, but your day starts differently. You've unplugged our 2025 Toyota Prius plug-in hybrid X SE, ready to take on Fredericton's streets in electric silence. Imagine gliding effortlessly through snow-dusted corners near the Princess Margaret Bridge or cruising down the highway to Moncton, all while enjoying the confidence of 220 hybrid horsepower under your belt. Efficiency meets excitement with up to 64 kilometers of all-electric range, perfect for city commutes or weekend getaways. Step inside our Prius PHEV, a high-tech sanctuary with soft-text-trimmed heated seats and a toasty steering wheel for those chilly NB mornings. With a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen at your fingertips, stay entertained and connected using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Safety comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, delivering features like blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert to keep you protected. Call us or stop by today. We can't wait to welcome you.
We'll give you a hug.